Hey everybody, this is Erin from Don's Appliances, and today we're going to be talking about the GE Cafe collection here at Don's Appliances. So first we're going to start off with this beautiful matte white with this brushed bronze accent handle that you can see here. This has been extremely popular, very trendy. The matte white is having a comeback. You know, we thought black and white were gone, and then GE Cafe came out and made it trendy again. So first we're gonna kind of showcase this one a little bit. We open up this dishwasher and it has one of my personal favorite features, this third rack. This third rack is perfect for cutlery. It makes things super organized. I always jokingly say that if my husband can master this, anyone can. So we always put like our silverware through here, so we have our knives, our forks, our spoons, and then our extras. It's great for baby bottle lids, sippy cup lids, things like that. If you have any little ones, it's a great addition for lids, for Tupperware, anything like that. When you get to that second, you get that wonderful bottle wash feature through here, which is super great for anything that is heavily soiled, especially if you do protein shakes or anything that you need to have that powder that sometimes gets stuck to the bottom, even coffee cups if you let that cup sit too long. Perfect for that. Adjustability through here, and then the third I like because you still get that utensil basket, but it can easily be removed if you need more storage for extra plates or even some casserole dishes or anything like that. You can remove this and keep all of your cutlery at the top. A lot of adjustability, a really great dishwasher, one of my personal favorites from the GE Cafe line. Now we're gonna move up here. Since we're right here, some things that people don't really realize is they actually do have a really great small appliance line. So right here, we just briefly have one of the cafe toasters. So if you get the matte white with that brushed bronze, you can still get kind of that matte white toaster and small appliances to really tie everything in. This is an espresso maker. A lot of our different showrooms will have these on display, so make sure you don't just walk past, something to kind of tie in that whole new kitchen feel. So if you want to come around this way, we're going to talk a little bit about a couple other things that we have. Right here at the bottom, this is going to be a speed oven microwave. So it's a great thing to kind of build in. You can have it underneath a counter. As you can see, it has a wonderful kind of LED lit LCD screen. Everything is going to be kind of touch screen through there. You have your microwave, your oven. You can use it as proofing, convection bake, toast. So this is a great addition around the holidays when you only have one oven. If you put a range and you just want to fit this in somewhere and you need that second oven, this is a perfect option for that. And since we're standing over here, we're gonna come around this side. We're gonna kind of keep making our way over here. And this is one of my favorite ranges that we sell. I love the GE Cafe range. I think it's really unique because if you come up to the top here, one thing that really stands out about this is it's actually a full 6 burner range and a 30-inch. So there's not too many on the market of this kind. And as you saw, it did come with the griddle. I'm not going to pick that up again because it's extremely heavy, but that means you know it's good quality. So you're going to have that nice kind of, you know, even grates across the top, and then you come here still with that more kind of robust, you know, professional handle that GE Cafe is known for. All of them too will have this really pretty rose gold emblem as well. Full LED, you know, control panel through here. Open it up. You do get that temperature probe, which is perfect for whenever you're doing or any kind of like meats, pork, you know, steak, chicken, anything like that. Plug it in right here on the side, plug it into your meat at about a 45-degree angle. I'm sure Chef Anthony has told you all about that. And you can go ahead and it will tell you exactly what to do from there. And then we're gonna kind of take another step over here to their double wall oven. So as you can see, it's extremely unique in the sense that it's gonna have your traditional way to open it, but at the top, you have a French door, which is really nice. So I mean, it's super easy to kind of get things in and out, especially if you have cookies or something that's really hard, and then it just sets right back into place. Again, full LED LCD screen, Wi-Fi connect, and it comes in this, again, that beautiful finish. So I really want to talk more about the finishes because GE Cafe was really unique to kind of come out with this matte white, matte black, stainless, kind of just options. So right here we do have the color board, so you can see the matte white, the matte black, and the stainless, and all their different finish options to choose from. Like I said, the matte white and the brushed bronze have been extremely popular, but also something that's been really popular is also the stainless, obviously, but then you can still mix and match with some bronze or more of this like bronze with the copper, the black stainless, and they just came out with 2 new finishes as well. So more of like a gold and this really pretty matte black. I personally think that if I were doing this direction, I might even try to do the matte white with the matte black. I think that'd be really cool. Something different. But I like that it's so customizable because it's really giving, you know, you're not really having to sacrifice quality to go back to black and white. I feel like, you know, a lot of the other lines are really giving you just a couple options, not a lot of features. But this is really giving you the option to get back to something a little bit more traditional, but not sacrificing features and benefits. Super customizable, a lot of different options. Again, you know, go to your local Don's Appliances, shop donsappliances.com and see all that GE Cafe has to offer. Thanks so much, everyone.